Mastering English. Understanding the phrase, off-ramp. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we have an interesting phrase to discuss, off-ramp. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding the various meanings and uses of this phrase will definitely help enhance your English proficiency. So, let's dive in and explore it together. An off-ramp is a term commonly used in the context of road and highway systems. It refers to a lane or road leading away from a main road or highway, especially an expressway. For example, when you're driving on a highway and you need to exit to get to a particular town, you would take an off-ramp. Example sentence: take the next off-ramp to reach the downtown area. Understanding this literal meaning provides a solid foundation for grasping the more figurative uses of the phrase. In a more figurative or metaphorical sense, off-ramp can be used to describe a point of exit or a way out of a particular situation, especially a long-term or ongoing commitment. Example sentence: after 10 years in the corporate world, she took an off-ramp to start her own business. In this example, off-ramp symbolizes a departure from a regular path or routine to pursue a different direction in life. Now that we've covered the main meanings of off-ramp, let's see how it's used in everyday conversations. Casual conversation: I think it's time for me to find an off-ramp from this job. I need a change. Formal setting: the company has created various off-ramps for employees wishing to pursue further education. Notice how the phrase is used to indicate a transition or change in one's journey, be it professional or personal. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, off-ramp. Whether you're navigating the roads or the journey of life, understanding this phrase can help you express the idea of seeking a change or exit point with ease. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Keep practicing, keep learning, and until next time, happy learning.